na ambon.
Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is the first Sunday of Advent. Let us offer this Mass and include in our prayers the intentions of the following. For the Thanksgiving and special intention of Roy and Rose Orion and family, Rudy and Julie Chua, Tom Nog family, Miguel.
Guys, tapos na magsimba. Uwi na.